Welcome to BuySpares. In this video I will show you how to replace the door hinge on a Hotpoint washing machine. Before fitting any electrical equipment, you must ensure that the appliance is first disconnected from the mains. Start by taking out the 4 screws holding the door on. Use a nut spinner to take the screws out. And then remove the door and put it onto a flat surface. We have used a carpet tile. Now take out the screws around the inner door panel. Use a flat blade screwdriver between the inner and outer frame to start. Then use a couple more screwdrivers around the door to release it. Take the door glass out and put it to one side. Move the outer frame over the handle to allow you to lift the outer frame off. On the underside of the outer frame, we can see the door hinges. Lift the hinge over the frame and move it to one side and unclip it and lift it out. Place the new hinge into the frame and clip into position. Then put the glass back in, which has a locator in the glass so it lines up in the correct position. Now put the outer frame back over the handle and clip the 2 sections back together. Put the door hinges through the panel and refit the screws. And there we have it, one hinge replaced on a Hotpoint washing machine. For all the spares you need, visit the BuySpares website.